Congratulations on purchasing the Oracle Dual Boiler Espresso Machine for ultimate performance and ultimate automation. You can now brew and texture milk at the same time, just like a commercial machine with a dual boiler heating system. Let's unbox your machine. Place the box on the floor and open it up. Remove the recycled cardboard packaging from the top of the machine and set aside the accessories. With both hands, firmly hold the machine and pull it up and out of the box, and remove any plastic packaging. The Oracle Dual Boiler comes with a set of key accessories that all have a part to play. Before first use, remove all of the plastic coverings and wash all parts with warm, soapy water and a soft cloth or brush. Dry thoroughly before use. You'll notice that the Oracle Dual Boiler machine features a third wheel for added convenience. You can easily swivel it around until you find the right position. Then, lock the lever to secure the machine from moving around your benchtop. Let's power it up. On first use, your machine will prompt you to set up various preferences, including a Wi-Fi network connection to run a firmware update. This keeps the Oracle Dual Boiler up to date with the very latest operating system, just like your smartphone. Here, you will also be prompted to download the new Sage Plus Coffee app, where you will be able to remote start your machine for added convenience. Next, all you have to do is follow the machine's first use setup, which will take you through all the parts and accessories, running a water hardness test, and an initial rinse cycle using simple, easy-to-follow steps. Once the machine is ready to make your first coffee, you'll be prompted to choose if your coffee beans have a roasted on or best before date, and the machine will set a recommended grind size to begin. Follow along to dial in, grind, and extract your first coffee shot, as well as texturing the ideal milk for latte art. The Oracle Dual Boiler comes with a pre-programmed auto dial-in feature, where it will optimize the grind size for your next coffee shot. This clever feature detects a fast, balanced, or slow pour, and if needed, will automatically adjust to get a more balanced extraction. This may require you to repeat the process to get it just right. Now you're ready to enjoy a wide range of coffee styles from the cafe menu. The Oracle Dual Boiler also features brand new drinks and recipes, giving you a wide range of specialty coffee creations.